Hi Bob, this is Sasha here. So I thought I'd just take you a quick run through our current system. So this is a 20-foot container currently in build. We're actually nearing electrical and factory acceptance testing. So what we've got here in the first section is pump configuration along with bag filters, which are sitting there for solids removal. As you can see, MOVs here and here and all throughout down here for automation. As we enter in, we've got a side access door here, so side personnel can enter in, and we've got our electrical panel here, which will have a HMI screen that's actually going in. We've got our pump here, all controlled by PLC and the smarts within the programmable logic. Like I said, the bag filters to remove sediments, etc. Really easy access and replacement of those bags just to take out the solids. And then we've got through here, we've got all of our bags, filter housings. So these housings are in series. As you can see, they're all interlinked with piping, isolation valves. They'll have pressure gauges, etc. on the top. Going through this sequence takes out all of the various PFAS compounds, hydrocarbons and such. We've also got larger vessels here with our performer polisher bulk media. These all, when needed, because this is on a higher system, but also for our build, we will have these cutouts here to replace the media when it's saturated. However, we extend the life of this media, so it really doesn't need to be replaced that often. We've got a hatch in the back there that's for an AC unit, which we put in once installed. Very simple process to do that. And then we've obviously got the double doors here. We'll also have internal lights along the top up here, so that we can then view the system when it's in operation at any hours. Various sample points, and that's a pressure transducer, which will all be electrically in tuned. And in the corner here, this white unit, that's a mag flow meter. So that's all connected into our PLC for monitoring on the amount of water that's been treated, and also the flow rate. The flow rate is the most important thing when coming to us. Again, here we've got some further specialized isolation valves. As you can see here, we've got various other equipment. We've got flow switches, pressure transducers, non-check valves to make sure that all of the flow is doing what it needs to do in the removal of PFAS, hydrocarbons, organics, and other soluble compounds. Also, we also have some very simple tie-in points for inlet, outlets, ancillary services like potable water for flushing of the system. If it's not in operation for a while, we've got another pipe connection there that's being cut to size, but we have that around the container along with a lockable door to do that. These double doors that open on this side only need to be opened if those bag housings need to be opened, simple band clamp, taken out, and then flushed with some water if need be. We also have other units which have a regenerable media. This is a much larger system that we're building for PFAS. These vessels here have a regenerable backwashable media, but that we can address another time. But anyway, that is the system as it currently stands in this current build. And to give you an idea of what a 20-foot container system looks like, a lot more electronics, yes, still to go.